Hello everybody, welcome to another TradeVision tutorial video. Today we're going to talk about creating a watch list, one of the very simple features that is very easy to do inside of TradeVision and can allow you to track your stocks and stay organized and keep a list of them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and click on the screener right here on the side menu on the very right. Click screener. From there you will be taken to the screener where in the upper right hand corner you can actually see the button where it says watch list, all stocks ETFs. Your watch list might say watch list US market S&P 500 or watch list NASDAQ 100 because these are the default settings of different indices that you can select from. If I wanted to see all of these stocks inside of the S&P 500 here on my screener, I can select it and it will load up all of these stocks inside of the S&P 500. But if I want to get creative and I want to create my own watch list, then I just simply need to hit the button that says edit/reorder watch lists. Track your favorite options, stay updated on market trends, and make informed decisions. Let's go ahead and start this process. So let's create a new watch list by pressing this here. We can title it whatever we would like. So I will name this one TradeVision Tutorial. I will hit save. And now I can simply add in my tickers, whether you want to copy and paste tickers or you want to add tickers individually. So let's say I want to add NVIDIA. I then want to add, let's say, Chevron, CVX, and maybe I will add the S&P 500 in here as well, SPY ETF. Okay, so now I have 3 tickers inside of there. Now all I need to do is hit the X button, go back, reselect my watch list up here in the upper right hand corner. It says S&P 500, but now I should see TradeVision Tutorial. So once I click on TradeVision Tutorial, then I should be able to see all 3 of my stocks that I have added so far. If I want to add new stocks, then I can simply go back up here, hit edit/reorder watch lists, and I can click on the drop down and click on the arrow to add more watch lists. Very, very simple. Now you will see a little blue bookmark next to all 3 of my stocks right here. These bookmarks are indicating that they are part of the TradeVision tutorial watch lists. Your watch list will be color coded. As you can see, TradeVision Tutorial has a blue bookmark next to it, so keep that in mind. And let's say if I'm looking at all stocks ETFs, and let's just say I find a stock in my screener that maybe I want to add to, right? Let's say maybe I find Amazon, right? If I want to add Amazon to my watch list real quick, it's super efficient. I just click on the bookmark to the left of it. I'll see my watch list says TradeVision Tutorial. Click there, and now it's part of my TradeVision tutorial watch list. Simple as that, easy. So what I can also do is if I want to set alerts on my watch list, that I can hit edit/reorder watch lists. There's going to be a bell signal right here if I ever want to manage my alerts on my watch list. I can also delete it if I want to press the trash can right there as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this very useful. We will be doing more with the watch list in future tutorial videos, much more to come. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy your time here at TradeVision.io.